The Yoast SEO plugin features a dashboard that informs us if it detected any serious SEO problems. It also includes a notification center with specific details on those items that need attention, and in most cases, provides us with recommendations on how to resolve the issue. There are two ways to access the dashboard. We can go to SEO from the left side navigation menu and click Dashboard, or we can hover our mouse over the Yoast icon displayed in the top toolbar and click on Notifications. As you can see, the toolbar has a 1 next to it, indicating that we have one notification. In this example, the plugin is notifying us that we have paging comments enabled in our discussion settings screen, and they recommend that we disable it. It even includes a link that will take us to our discussion settings screen so we can fix the issue. The dashboard is just the first tab of 7 that are listed in the General screen. The tab entitled General includes a link to Yoast Configuration Wizard, which if you haven't completed, we suggest that you do so. We can also view the contributing team behind Yoast, or restore the default settings. The Features tab allows us to enable or disable Yoast features, including the ability to enable or disable advanced settings, the onpage.org integration that checks to ensure our site is indexable, the admin bar menu, which again is the notification icon in our toolbar, and the Metabox Insights section. We encourage that you leave all of these features enabled. You can update your information using the Company Info tab, which includes defining your website's name for Google's site name markup and selecting whether you are a company or a person for Google's knowledge graph. If you haven't verified your site with the Google Search Console, formerly Webmaster Tools, you can do so in the Webmaster Tools tab. We have a separate video tutorial on creating a Google Search Console account, since verifying your site with Google is a critical part of SEO. The Yoast SEO tool includes this feature to simplify the process, since most beginners aren't comfortable modifying their PHP files. Otherwise put, you can input the meta tag that Google provides you with to verify your site in the respective field here. The Security tab features only one option, to enable or disable the advanced part of the WordPress SEO meta box. We recommend that you disable this option. This will prevent authors from making changes such as redirects and no index, which could impact your SEO score. As the admin, you'll still have control over these items. The last and final tab is the Site-Wide Analysis. This provides us with a snapshot of how we are using prominent words, or keywords, throughout our site. In this example, we have 3 posts and all of them contain prominent words.